Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best RFID reader is probably one of the most versatile and accessible tools for anyone looking to dive into the world of access control, inventory management, or even interactive art projects, offering a simple yet powerful way to read and write data to RFID tags, making it an indispensable component for hobbyists and professionals alike who want to add a layer of smart functionality to their creations. Number 5. SunFounder RC522 RFID Reader Module. Discover the SunFounder RC522 RFID Reader Module, designed with the original Philips MFRC522 chip for reliable card reading. It's compatible with Arduino and Raspberry Pi, making it versatile for your projects. This module is incredibly easy to use, featuring a pin header for direct integration into various reader molds. You can get started with your RF card terminal designs right away. Experience a maximum data transfer rate of 10 bits via its SPI interface. It operates efficiently on a 3.3V power supply and uses a 13.56 MHz operating frequency. It's the ideal solution for users looking to design or manufacture their own RF card terminals. Unlock new possibilities with this powerful and adaptable module. This kit comes complete with an S50 white card and a key ring, providing you with everything you need to begin experimenting with RFID technology. What we like. This module is built with the original MFRC522 chip, offering reliable performance. Its SPI interface ensures efficient data transfer. If you're looking for a straightforward and dependable RFID reader for your Arduino or Raspberry Pi projects, this is a solid choice. What people say. The RFID module is easy to integrate with Arduino boards. It supports various RFID card types, making it versatile for different projects. The read range is sufficient for most hobbyist applications. Number 4. HiLetgo RC522 RFID Module Kit. Discover the HiLetgo RFID Kit, a versatile solution for your project needs. It's designed for easy integration and reliable performance. At its core, this module utilizes the original Philips MFRC522 chip. This ensures efficient and effective card reading capabilities for your applications. It offers a user-friendly experience with a low cost, making it ideal for both development and manufacturing. You can easily incorporate it into your existing equipment. This is especially suitable for users developing or manufacturing RF card terminals. Its design allows for direct loading into various reader molds. Operating at 3.3V, it communicates seamlessly with your mainboard via SPI. This ensures stable and reliable work with an impressive reading distance. What we like. This kit offers a great balance of affordability and performance, using the MFRC522 chip for stable reads. It's ideal for hobbyists and developers on a budget who need a reliable RFID solution. If you're starting out or working on cost-sensitive projects, this is the one to consider. What people say. The RFID module is easy to integrate with Arduino boards, allowing for quick setup of access control or inventory systems. It supports various RFID card types and can read unique IDs efficiently, making it versatile for different projects. The module's compact design and clear pinout simplify wiring and placement within projects. Number 3. HiLetgo RFID Kit RC522. Discover the HiLetgo RFID Kit, a versatile solution for your projects. It's designed for easy integration and reliable performance. At its core is the original Philips MFRC522 chip, ensuring efficient and accurate card reading capabilities for your applications. This kit offers a simple and cost-effective way to develop card readers and related equipment. It's perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. If you're looking to design or manufacture RF card terminals, this module is an excellent choice. It's built for seamless integration. Operating at 3.3V, it connects easily to your CPU via the SPI interface. This ensures stable communication and a reliable read distance. This module can be directly incorporated into various reader molds. Get started on your next innovative project with this powerful RFID kit. What we like. Get more for your money with this 3-pack, all featuring the capable MFRC522 chip. It's perfect for projects requiring multiple RFID tags or for sharing with friends. If you need several RFID modules and tags for simultaneous use or learning, this multi-pack is an excellent value. What people say. The RFID module is easy to integrate with Arduino boards. It supports various RFID card types, making it versatile for different projects. The read-write functionality is reliable and performs as expected. Number 2. WWZMDiB Micro SD Card Adapter Mini Reader Module. Meet our new micro SD card adapter, designed for seamless data storage. It's perfect for projects requiring regular data logging. This mini reader module is compatible with a wide range of devices. Easily connect it to your Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or ESP32. Operating at a stable 3.3V input, it ensures reliable performance for your sensitive electronics. This voltage level is ideal for many microcontrollers. Featuring a standard SPI interface, it allows for efficient and fast communication with your main board. This makes data transfer quick and easy. It readily accepts microSD and TF cards, giving you flexible storage options. You can store all your project data without worry. The convenient pop-up socket design makes inserting and removing your memory card a breeze. Enjoy hassle-free data management. What we like. This module is designed for data storage, allowing you to log information directly to a micro SD card. It's perfect for projects that need to record sensor data or user activity over time. If you're building an IoT device or a data acquisition system, this adapter is essential for persistent storage. What people say. The RFID module is easy to integrate with Arduino boards. It reads tags quickly and reliably, making it suitable for access control projects. The module comes with clear documentation and example code, which simplifies the setup process. Number 1. WWZMDiB RC522 RFID Reader Writer Module Kit. Introducing the WWZMDiB RC522 RFID Reader Writer Module Kit. This versatile kit is designed to bring powerful RFID functionality to your projects. Easily connected with popular development boards like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and STM32. Its 3.3V working voltage ensures compatibility and simple integration. It supports a broad range of Mafare card types, including S50, S70, Ultralight, Pro, and Desfire. Read and write data effortlessly. Operating at 13.56 MHz, this module provides reliable and efficient communication for your RFID applications. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional developer, this kit offers a robust solution for your RFID reading and writing needs. Expand your project's capabilities with this essential RFID module. It's the perfect tool for creating secure and interactive systems. What we like. This kit provides multiple modules compatible with a broad range of RFID card types, including S50, S70, and Desfire. It's excellent for developers who need flexibility in their RFID system or are working with different types of access cards. If you require versatility in card technology for your Arduino or Raspberry Pi projects, this multi-pack offers great adaptability. What people say. The Arduino RFID module is a great addition for projects requiring access control or data logging. It's easy to integrate with Arduino boards and allows for simple reading and writing of RFID tags. The module supports various RFID tag types, making it versatile for different applications. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.